you're interested in changing people's lives, understanding relationships, understanding families, HDFS at University of Illinois is the place to come.
My experience in the Department of Human Development and Family Studies has been an incredibly positive one. We're a family here. We look out for each other, and we genuinely care about how others are doing. It's just been a really wonderful place to be.
So I came to University of Illinois because it is a world-class research and teaching facility. We have in HDFS a top-ranked program. We have faculty who are national and international experts in what they do. So we're interested in understanding the science behind what families do, what relationships, how they operate, what kids and parents do to interact with each other, and then the health and well-being outcomes related to these kinds of things.
I think the main sort of motivator under all of it has just been wanting to gain a foundation in understanding humans and human life, both for me personally so that I can know how do I operate and how do I do this thing called life, but then also so that hopefully later I can have some tools and skills where I can help lead others.
I study everyday stressors that adolescents are experiencing. Students have an opportunity to get hands-on experience working directly with families and children. When we bring them into the lab, we are interested in how they talk about the kinds of day-to-day challenges. They get a chance to ask the kids, how was your day today? What are the kinds of things that you're experiencing? We also are looking at how their body's responding while they are having these conversations, such as changes in their heart rate, breathing, their sweating or skin conductance. How does that relate to the kinds of behaviors that we see in the lab? And so they're able to see that firsthand when the physiological data is recording and to see the kinds of behaviors that the children and the parents are engaging in.
So we all are in relationships, we're in families, so we naturally think that we know everything there is to know about them. But there's a huge scientific body of research behind why we do what we do, why we're in relationships, why relationships fail, and why family dynamics operate the way they do. So there's nothing more motivating and exciting to faculty than to see students realize there's a lot behind why we do what we do and how we do these kinds of things.
My hope for my students is that they develop a good set of problem-solving skills. I think that's one of the most important things to be able to go out into the world, whether it's a job or grad school. They're going to be faced with a number of challenges.
HDFS students go out into the real world doing all kinds of remarkable things, going on to become counselors, social workers, trying to create social policy change, social justice. If you're able to interact with other people, change their lives, and do something that you find incredibly rewarding, you're going to live your best possible life.
I think I just hope to create good change.